Hi there, my name is Collin Pierce. I'm currently a sophomore at Kansas State University and I'm majoring in mechanical engineering with a minor in physics. This is an application video for an internship position at SpaceX. In this video I'm going to tell you why you should choose me for an internship position. For one, my interest level. Ever since I was a little kid I've been interested in space, human space flight, astronomy, rocketry, and the physics behind it all. For instance, I spend a lot of my free time reading books and watching documentaries on space. I've seen Carl Sagan's Cosmos about 20 times. For example, I've read books such as The Space Chronicles, which just recently came out, and We 7, which also has Scott Carpenter's signature in it, one of the original 7 astronauts. It's one of my most prized possessions. I have my own 7-inch telescope and very often look at the moon, the planets, and sometimes Andromeda on a clear night. I'm currently in the process of talking with my advisors about making Kansas State's very first high-power rocketry club, and possibly even the Student Launch Initiative sponsored by NASA. I'm very involved with high-power rocketry. I've been building rockets since I was in the first grade with my dad, and I've been building my own rockets for about 10 years now. The moment I turned 18, I became a member of the Tripoli Rocket Association and got my Level 1 certification. I'm currently Level 2 certified, and I'm working towards my Level 3 right now. These are just 3 of the mini rockets that I have built. The small Nike Smoke is what I got my Level 1 certification on, and I am currently working with the big AMRAAM. The AMRAAM is 6 feet 6 inches tall, 4 inches in diameter, weighs about 15 pounds, and with the right motor can reach an altitude of about 6 miles. At the end of this video, I'm going to show a clip of the AMRAAM launching from its onboard camera. I've transitioned from launching my rockets on small Estes motors like A, B, and C to much bigger high-power rocket motors like K and L. I've also participated in 5 space camps sponsored by the Kansas Cosmosphere and Space Center. I did a number of activities while at these camps, including scuba diving to simulate neutral buoyancy, a number of missions in the orbiter simulator. We also went to Johnson and Kennedy Space Center. In middle school I was on the Science Olympiad team. My main event was Mission Possible, which is basically a Rube Goldberg device. In 7th and 8th grade I took 1st place in regionals and 2nd place in state both years. I also took 1st and 2nd in the rest of my events, such as astronomy, meteorology, Rhodes Scholar, and experimental design. My junior and senior years of high school, I went back to the middle school Science Olympiad team to help coach. My junior year, I coached the bottle rocket event, which ended up taking 2nd place in regionals and 3rd place in state. My senior year, I coached the trebuchet event, which ended up taking 3rd place at regionals and state. My senior year in high school, I began my journey to become a private pilot. I have completed ground school and currently have 15 hours logged in the air. I also have a passion for designing and building things. Things that I've built besides my rockets include a full-scale motorcycle made entirely out of PVC pipe, a potato gun, a trebuchet, a number of different engines, and a lot more. Another reason why I'm a great applicant for this internship are my qualifications. All throughout high school I was heavily involved with machining class. I'm very proficient on the mill, lathe, MIG, and oxyacetylene welding. A couple of my favorite projects that I've made are models of a golf cart and the Apollo lunar module. While taking machining class, I also became OSHA certified, and last semester I became SolidWorks certified. I've completed every math and physics course I need to graduate Kansas State, and now I'm currently just working on my technical engineering courses. You're not going to find anybody else that's as passionate or interested in the space program as I am, and I have the activities and qualifications to prove it. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope you seriously consider me for an internship at SpaceX.